Spices are often valued merely for their flavor, yet they possess remarkable health benefits. Sadly, we tend to overuse them in every meal, every day, seeking only to enhance taste. This excessive and indiscriminate use can lead to health complications because even the best things in excess become harmful. Instead, use spices mindfully and purposefully. Understand the unique medicinal and nutritional value of each spice and incorporate them selectively, either for their specific health benefits or in occasional, thoughtfully prepared dishes.
Ever wonder why your grandmother added a pinch of this or a dash of that to her chicken soup? It wasn't just for taste. For centuries, kitchens were our first pharmacy. Spices and herbs weren't just flavor, but folk medicine. Before refrigeration, spices like garlic and clove helped keep food safe, fighting off bacteria and fungi. That spice rack in your pantry? It's a record of humanity's quest to stay healthy. The flavors we love come from phytochemicals, molecules that do more than please our taste buds. They interact with our bodies. Our ancestors didn't know the science, but they saw the results. Longer-lasting food, soothed coughs, settled stomachs. So next time you reach for cinnamon or oregano, remember? You're tapping into a tradition of preventative care. This isn't about replacing modern medicine, but recognizing that food and medicine have always been closely linked. Your kitchen is a living legacy of wellness. Let's talk about what makes spices so powerful. Phytochemicals, plant compounds that protect the plant, and when we eat them, us too. Garlic's allicin fights bacteria and viruses. That's why it's a classic cold remedy. Capsaicin in chili peppers tricks our pain receptors, easing discomfort. Antioxidants in green tea, like catechins, neutralize free radicals, helping protect our cells. Fennel seeds soothe digestion and may help balance hormones. Each spice is a unique cocktail of these compounds, working together to fight inflammation, support digestion, and more. Scientists are only beginning to catalog all these molecules, but the benefits are clear. Your spice cabinet is a natural pharmacy, built on centuries of tradition and now backed by science. The next time you cook, remember, you're not just adding flavor, you're adding health. The science behind the tradition is real, and it's right in your kitchen. Use it. For years, the health benefits of spices were just folklore. Now, science is catching up. Researchers have mapped thousands of phytochemicals in common spices, linking them to specific health benefits. For example, chili and turmeric target pain and inflammation. Green tea and rosemary support cancer prevention. Cloves and cinnamon help manage blood sugar. Spices aren't just single compound remedies. They're complex blends, working on multiple targets in the body. Turmeric's curcumin is famous, but it's just one of hundreds of active molecules in the spice. This research bridges ancient tradition and modern medicine, showing that recipes are more than instructions. They're chemical formulas for health. Science isn't debunking tradition, it's revealing the mechanisms behind it. Grandma was right all along. Nowhere is food as medicine clearer than in India, where regional cuisines evolved as responses to local health needs. Southern India's humid climate led to antimicrobial spices like turmeric and mustard seed. The north uses warming spices like cloves and cinnamon for digestion and circulation. Modern science confirms these choices. The compounds in these spices really do target local health challenges. Today, researchers use AI to analyze spice blends, creating new combinations that maximize health benefits. Sometimes, AI finds even more efficient blends by mixing traditions. But some spices, garlic, turmeric, ginger, chili, always come out on top, no matter the method. The wisdom of tradition, now supercharged by technology. Even computers agree, Grandma knew best. The basics endure. Ready to put this science to work? Here are 5 tips for a healthier spice rack. First, bloom your spices in oil or butter to unlock their full flavor and health benefits. Second, buy whole spices and grind them fresh for maximum potency. Third, pair spices for synergy, like turmeric with black pepper or garlic with ginger. Fourth, use plenty of fresh or dried herbs like oregano and rosemary. They're antioxidant powerhouses. Fifth, spice up your drinks. Add cinnamon to coffee, ginger to smoothies, or make a golden milk latte. Consistency matters more than quantity. Make these habits part of your daily routine. Your kitchen is a wellness toolkit, built on ancient wisdom and modern science. Good food, thoughtfully prepared, is powerful medicine. Embrace the tradition and let your meals nourish you in every way. The science is clear. Your spice rack is your secret weapon for health.